Each division is run by a knowledgeable individual with qualified talents within their fields. We are swimming pool division. We sell spas. We are importers of natural stones. We do landscaping. We sell grills and outdoor ovens and appliances. We build sports courts. We do home remodeling and restoration. We do home remodeling and restoration of cleaning and restoration and cleaning and sealing of concrete pavers. Our fastest growing division is the cleaning and sealing division. Is the cleaning and sealing of concrete pavers. Cleaning and sealing of concrete pavers. If you may be able to watch this video later. And for this reason, we educate our new customer and educate our new customers and natural stones. Gapsi natural stones will cost a little more to buy at the beginning, but long term you will save more money and maintenance, and they will not wear, change colors, or even weather. Guaranteed. Unlike concrete pavers, you will have to clean and seal them every 3 years, and one if you want to preserve the colors and textures. Here you can view the video of a cleaning and sealing process. And by watching this video, you will understand why we charge what we charge and the amount of work that we do to clean and seal pavers. In this video of our showroom display, you can see our products. We carry over 200 different products that we can use for your pool, patio, and walkways. You are also welcome to come and view this display in person at our showroom. Our line includes porcelain, marble, granite, limestone, travertine, and sandstone. These are the best sellers of our natural stone line. And we constantly search new and unique stones from all over the world.